Okay, today I think is day 8. It is that Tuesday, March 27th, 2025. I think he spent most of the day today adding a second layer to this rock wall in the front that is going to house and build up that pad for our cabin. So he's bringing it back in there. Looks like he's added another layer in the front, filling it in with dirt, various rocks. It looks pretty good. There's our first layer of rock that he did. Starting to put a couple in here. So now this pad is getting higher. He's got that attachment on the back of the bulldozer to help tamp this down. He's tamping it down, making sure it doesn't move. We have compacted soil. Yeah, we'll probably have our house pretty much right in the middle here. All right. So May 29th, not quite sure what day of construction it is. I think it's like 8 or 9 or something like that, but got another row on the wall done. That'll be the final row. So it looks like he's got a pretty good. Got a few more rocks delivered today as well, so he can complete that. Looks like he's a little short. He'll probably complete the wall tomorrow. Okay, just wanted to give you an update. Today's May 31st. You probably got the sun in your, hope not. The wall is pretty much completed. Got it going all the way on the other side. There's our septic on the wall next to it. Our leach field back over there. So 3 rows all the way down. And coming in here at the end. The wall on the top. This is going to be our pad. Level this out, but this is going to be the back of the house. Putting in this, what they call riprap, but about half foot, 6-inch rock behind some metal boulders. Try to help from some of that erosion coming in our backyard. But yeah. Making progress. Hopefully by the next, they've been here about 3 weeks total. Started in the beginning of May and we're at the end of May. So we had some weather, had some holidays, but they've been making great progress within that time. Probably a total of 10 working days by now, 2 weeks. We have our septic completely. They excavated it, installed it, hooked up all the pipe work, put the infiltrators in, got it inspected and covered like in a week, including run the layouts over to here, to be hooked up with the cabin. And then it took them another week basically to get this wall built and this back excavated in the driveway. So not too bad. Probably be done. Start to get this wall done. They'll be level this out and start digging for forms. Hopefully start that the following week. So more to come. Today is June 5th. putting up an update. Looks like they finished a couple days ago. It's Thursday, so they finished on Tuesday with the rock wall, with the excavation, backfilled in the septic again just to make sure it's good to go for a inspection. He brought this out a little bit more, brought it up. He'll put the culvert in after we get the foundation. We are ready for foundation pour. On Tuesday, he had finished digging out and tamping the bottom for the foundation. We're going to have a little pop out over there. Septic coming through a sleeve through the stem wall. We'll have 5 foot off the footer everywhere, and he should be coming in, the foundation guy, for today. Should be in starting to build the forms. So we'll continue to give you updates. Again, today is June 5th, pretty sure, Thursday. And we're going to start foundation walls today. Alrighty, it's June 5th, Thursday, 2025, and looks like we got the footers put in today. I got the rebar hanging, got them wrapped together. This will be our footer. That chalk line is going to represent pretty much where the top of the footer is going to be. This is essentially our lightning rod. Right there. This will be the top. We're going to have a door in here. This will be empty. It'll come up to 4 feet above this, and I could get access. That's how we're going to get access to the basement, is through there. So that will all be open. Concrete will come. It'll stop there, come around, go back, and go that way, and that'll be exposed. Looking good. All set. Doing some concrete, ready to go. Putting nails in. Oh, nails are for the chalk lines. So, and this is going to be my footer in the bottom. We're going to have a post up coming up. We'll lay it across. We'll have a couple glulam beams going across for the floor joist to support that. And then we'll have a slab. It's going to come up about 4 inches on this. So we'll have a slab down here. This will all be a slab. And we'll have basically a 5-foot stem wall coming off of these after we're done, which will... So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Digging it. There's our view. Actually, it'll be up kind of like around here somewhere, a little bit higher, but not too bad. Glad we got some weather coming in. It's that time of season. Sun, rain, sun, rain. Got that riprap on the back with the big boulders behind it to stop it. Getting closer. Really neat. Talk to you later. Have a great day.